Hi friends, I'm Ameeya and welcome back all of you to my channel The Traveling Monkey. So this video I'm making to just make you all update about few things that's happening in the Southeast Asia. So this video will be basically concentrating to people who are planned, like they have already planned or they are planning to go to Southeast Asia during the end of December, early January, this holiday season. So this video will be only concentrating to Southeast Asia travel updates, because there are few alerts that has been come from different countries across Southeast Asia. So I just thought of clubbing everything and putting a video for this, so that any one of you are going to these countries in Southeast Asia should have a better view. Okay, so let's start. So in this video, when I say Southeast Asia, I will talk about 4 countries. The countries are Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia and Thailand. Okay, these are the 4 countries for which I will just share my detail, like updates, whichever I got from different sources that I generally go through. Being a traveler, we have some notifications, we have some trackers where I go through and see like what's happening across different countries for travel purpose. So on that part, let's start with first Malaysia. Okay, so in Malaysia, as you know, right, in across Southeast Asia, the coronavirus has started, and it's some kind of a Omicron variant. That's what doctors are saying. And you will also, if you Google, right, and see, then you will also find the same thing what I'm saying. So it's been there for last 7 days. It's a week that the alert has gone up. So earlier it was more of like a watchdog kind of a thing, but now they have given an alert that yes, it's increasing. So in Malaysia, the effect is not much, but the government has started putting thermal detector in the international gateways. So in terms of Malaysia, as you must have seen my earlier video, right, so they have made Indians as visa free, so we can easily go there without any visa. So that visa free will not affect by this corona update, whatever happens. So they are telling that it will stay there for at least a year. So that's the good news, that there is nothing that will change in terms of Malaysia's visa on arrival or visa free, you can say, for Indians. So but still, in terms of what government has told is basically they will start imposing mask wherever possible. There is no official mail or official announcement that has happened, but they are in progress of putting something at place. Okay, so definitely if you are going to Malaysia, nothing has changed for you, but definitely visit their immigration department website to see if anything is changing. But as of now, there is nothing that has nothing there which will make you worry if you are going to Malaysia. Okay, now we'll come to the second country, which is Singapore. So this Southeast Asia Omicron variant is hardly hit for Singapore. So first, if you are going to Singapore, then you have to be in alert. Okay, so other countries may not have that much effect as of now, but Singapore is the country that is hitting hard in terms of with respect to the other countries, okay, in Southeast Asia. So if you are going to Singapore or you are thinking of going to Singapore, then definitely you have to take care few things. That's like you have to take the health insurance for sure, or travel insurance what you are supposed to take in this kind of pandemic situations. It's not pandemic, it's just that the variant is quite transmitting fast, so that's the only problem. Otherwise there is no mortality, nothing happening. So the 2 things rather I will say you, the first thing is travel insurance or the health insurance you should take. The second thing, go for a good hotel, okay, A+ category hotel where the hygiene will be not an issue. So that 2 things you have to do. And anyways, now as you all know, right, Singapore basically have an e-visa nowadays for Indians, but that e-visa goes through from their own different parties. They have different travel operators or different agencies they have, through them they give the visas. So definitely they will start imposing conditions like you should have double dose of corona vaccine, or you should have health insurance and stuff like that. So that will definitely be in place, but right now nothing like that has happened into the e-visa form. Okay, definitely as of now, the day I'm speaking, it is not there, but definitely that will be on cards. So you have to prepare accordingly for that. Okay. So then next come to the third country, that is Thailand. So in Thailand nothing has happened. It's only Surathani. There is one place in Thailand where they have find few strain of it, but otherwise it's quite on like if you say there is nothing that has happened in Thailand in terms of COVID as of now. So if you are going to Thailand, it's same. The visa on arrival is still in place. There is nothing as such COVID protocol have implemented. Mask will definitely be back. That's what the government is thinking of. Otherwise, there is nothing that will bother you for sure. So Thailand, if you are going, you are safe. There is no issues as of now. Then we'll talk about the last country, that is Indonesia. So after Singapore, the second country that is hitting hard is Indonesia, and there are, I think, mainly the two cities, that is Jakarta and Bali, where people generally go. So these cities are like in a red alert kind of, if you say, because the thing is that the rise is quite high week on week. So that's the reason. Otherwise, it's mortality and others are not there. Hospital, even people are not getting to hospital also. It's just that they are tested positive. Okay, so it's nothing you can say as a big problem if you are a traveler, but definitely the strain is there. So that's the reason. Indonesia, if you are going, then you should be you should take a good hotel, and same the health insurance for sure. So people going to Singapore and Indonesia do have health insurance for sure. Okay, and you should stay in a A+ category hotel. That's the two thing you have to do. And in Indonesia, they have implemented the mask at all places. Okay, it's not just airport or busy places, but now you have to wear mask everywhere, same as Singapore. So the masks are back, and also they are using a few tricks, like they are giving slots, like if you are going to a well-known place to visit, like for instance if you are going to Tanalot or something like that, they are making sure that in a particular time or particular period there will be, like, there should not be a huge crowd. So they're making sure that there will be batches of people who are going, so that there is no chaos, there is not much crowd. It's just a measure for the corona, the way it generally goes. That is what is currently in place. So in total, if you say, right, all these Southeast Asia countries that I've said, they are on alert, but definitely there is nothing to worry. If you are planning to go, definitely go there, but with proper health insurances and hotels for sure. Thailand, I think in these four countries, right, the maximum people will be going to Thailand. So Thailand is, for now, it's very safe. So I don't feel there will be anything coming in terms of this variant into Thailand, but you never know. That's what the news in those countries is telling, that it's not yet in Thailand. So if you are going to Thailand, you are safe. There's no problem. Malaysia is also relatively safe, but Singapore and Indonesia, if you are going, then you definitely have to check the immigration department news, and you have to just be careful to see what's happening there. Okay, there may be chances that something new can be come up. RT-PCR tests, I think nobody will impose for sure as of now, but you never know, that may come. So definitely that RT-PCR part you have to check. Okay, the next thing, they may ask for 2 doses of vaccine, which I think most of Indians already have, so that not be an issue. Then third will be quarantine. I think as long as it's not that much, if you say is going beyond control, I don't think there will be quarantine required. So quarantine policy, as of now, none of the governments have told anything about it. So they are not thinking about the quarantine policy also. And visa on arrival, wherever it's there, or visa free, they want to continue. But the thing is, this is the holiday season, right? So they want people to come, and obviously people in India, they want to go to Southeast Asia because it's nearer and the flight cost is cheaper also. That's the reason we will travel to Southeast Asia. So as long as this train is not that what you say, it's not that going beyond control kind of, I don't think there will be any change in the visa rules. So in nutshell, what I want to say is, just be alert, but don't panic. There is nothing that has like change, But if you are going to countries in Southeast Asia, do check out the news, their local news or the immigration department portal to see if anything is happening, because this is, I think, today is 16th kind of. So this is what happening in today. You never know what will happen tomorrow, because I'm in India. I don't know what is happening in their respective countries. So news and news portals or their immigration department portal is something which will give you a good details of what's happening. So next 1 month, if you are traveling to these countries, do check out for the live updates. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. This is not a planned video. It's something I was going through. I was seeing some notifications from these countries, so I just thought of letting you all know that if you are planning to go to these countries, then definitely you have to be careful or be watchful. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for your time. We'll meet with new videos. This is just an update, quick and fast, to tell you that there is something happening. You should be seeing those. So thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Good night.